Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. So for today's video I am going to be making ice cream mochi, which is also known as the little moons, that have been literally so viral and are sold out literally everywhere. And by making, I do actually mean attempting to make, because this is the first time I've found a recipe going around TikTok. I don't know the name of the girl, but if I'll look for it and put it here on the screen so you can give her a follow. And yeah, I'm going to be following her recipe to try and make my own ice cream mochi. So I've got a two of strawberry ice cream, and I can confirm it tastes very nice. This is my ice cream. I've already done two of what I need to do now. So the first step is apparently getting out some cling film, just like ripping off a line of cling film, and then using it like an ice cream scoop to, this is very hard to do one-handed, to scoop out some ice cream and then scoop it into the middle of the cling film and then kind of fold it up like this sort of thing, like just rolling it all up, and then just twist the cling film at the top and then kind of make it into like a ball shape. It's really cold, very cold, and just kind of make it into like a ball shape like this. Here's some I made earlier. I'm gonna make more of those because I want to make quite a few of these. Here's all my ice cream balls, and I'm gonna put these in the freezer. What are you saying? What are you saying? I'm gonna put them in the freezer and let them freeze for like an hour maybe. So these are my ingredients for the next step whilst my ice cream is in the freezer. So I've got my glutinous or sweet rice flour, corn flour and some sugar. So I'm starting with 160 grams of rice flour. It's just coming out really slow though, so we've only got 2 grams in there so far. I need a bigger bowl, so I'm just going to transfer it into this bigger bowl. And now I'm doing 60 grams of sugar and 10 grams of corn flour. Here's my mixture. Now I just need to add 230 milliliters of water. I'm just adding in the water, and I'm going to add in a tiny bit of food colouring as well, because I want the actual outer bit to be red, a tiny bit. So it's more of a pink actually. And I'm going to mix it, and then all I've got to do is just microwave it for a minute. So I had loads of different things about how long to actually microwave it for, but I tried 2 minutes and it was still a bit runny, so I did 3. And this is what I've got, like a doughy mixture, and then I'm going to try and like roll it out now. I've like sprinkled my surface with like quite a bit of corn flour. I'm just going to try a little bit first, and I'm going to put some corn flour over the top of it as well. I just don't know if it's going to roll out very well because it seems quite gooey. No, I need more on there because that's gooey. I feel like this is the right consistency for the outside of mochi though. Like, I feel like I've done all right. I don't know. It's a bit warm still. Maybe I should have left it to cool. I feel like it needs to not be so sticky. I think maybe this will be okay. Got one ice cream ball up. I'm gonna attempt to do this with. So because the dough had to go in the microwave, it was quite warm, so I've just put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes and I'm gonna try again. Right, I'm actually gonna try this again now and hope that the dough, it's a bit crumbly though, so like it's definitely not like the little moons, because that's so soft and squishy, but this just doesn't feel the same. But I'm gonna try, let me just break a little bit off. Yeah, mine's very crumbly, but I mean, it might still work. I've got hope. I'm just gonna roll it out. Okay, I've got my little ice cream ball, and I'm gonna put that into this dough here. It's really fiddly though. Like, because my dough is quite crumbly, it's like crumbling around it, but I'm just gonna try and squish it in and then just like put it back in the freezer. And I'm gonna squish that back up. And I'm gonna put it in some cling film, wrap it up really fast, and I'm gonna try and make it a bit more of like a circle. And I'm gonna whack that back in the freezer. So what I'm doing is, once I've got the dough, I'm just literally warming it up in my hands to make it a little bit sticky, and then it's actually a little bit easier to manipulate. Sorry, I'm bending down because my camera's pointed down. And then it's just a bit easier to manipulate, and instead of rolling it out with the pin, I'm just squishing it out with my fingers. Look at my hands. And I'm gonna take my ice cream ball, plop that in the middle, and then just pull this up around it. And when it's this consistency, it's a tiny bit easier to pull up around it. So this was actually so hard to do. But here's one that I've made, and it's been in the fridge for like half an hour now. And I'm gonna chop it open to see if it's like actually works. And I'm gonna taste it as well. And look at how all of the ice cream has literally leaked so badly. I definitely underestimated how easy this was gonna be. Look at it. Look at that lump of just dough and ice cream. Let's cut it open. And it's leaking everywhere. Ah! No. So yeah. Don't know why I even attempted this. Considering I've tried Little Moons, this is a lot worse. Mine's just so doughy. The dough is like really thick on mine, whereas Little Moons get so thin. How do they do it? Because this is so not easy. It tastes alright though. Give myself an A for effort, but like a -20 for presentation. Like, they're supposed to be little balls. Mine are like, I don't even know. What were they? I mean, it was fun. It was messy, to say the least. I can't wait to clean all that up. That was really hard. That's kind of the gist of how you make them, but maybe like, I don't know, if you're a professional mochi maker, please at me in the comments and help me. You should try it, see if you can do better than me. I'm sure that you can. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. It's been chaotic, but I've enjoyed myself. Please remember to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.